Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel, and I'm your boy Flex McKenzie, and in today's video I'm gonna test the Phantom Clear Ink. Coming up.
It's that super flow, no, she my flow. Yeah. It's that super flow.
Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel again. Boom! And like I said before, I'm your boy Flex McKenzie, but today I'm gonna test the Phantom, the Matsui Phantom Ink. See it? Yeah, the Matsui Phantom Ink. I did an unboxing of it in this video. If you check this video out right here, and I told you I was gonna make a follow-up video, well, I'm gonna do it today. So I have my ink and I got my water bottle to show you exactly what this ink is all about. Now the ink should be, whoops, it's okay. So the ink is the Matsui ink, Phantom ink, supposed to be for athletic, or it could be anything. You put it on the shirt, you won't be able to see it until it get wet, so that's why I have the water bottle. So after I print it, you won't see it really on the shirt, but it has to be like on a dark shirt or something, so you won't really see it until I spray water on it. So if you're in the gym and you're working out, it will probably say whatever you want it to say. Like, let's say you put earn with sweat on the back of it or in the front. When you start sweating, it will reveal it. So got my heat press. Not my heat press. I got my screen printing. I got my screen printing stuff ready to go, and it's hot in here, so I'm sweating. So bear with me, and I'm holding the camera in one hand. So let's get printing, and let me show you what this is all about. So I'm gonna set it up right now. So give me a second. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my water bottle. And I have the Matsui Phantom Clear Ink. Okay, so this is it. Matsui, I don't know if you could see it. Probably a little too bright, but this is the Matsui Clear Ink. Matsui Phantom Clear Ink. And it flash at 160 and it cure at 320. Okay, so that's that. And here, and I have this shirt I'm gonna print it on because it has to be like a dark color, you know, dark light color. You have to print it on. Now this is not really a shirt. Did I say a shirt? It's like a shirt, you know. Maybe it was someone, maybe it was a mini dress, you know, mini skirt. Anyway, no, it's not. But I'm gonna make a video. I have a whole bunch of these different colors. I'm gonna make a video to explain what this is and where you could get it. Okay, so I'm not gonna get into it right now. This is what I'm gonna use to print on today. Okay, so the flash dryer is warming up, should be ready in about another 5 minutes, right? I got my screen up. Don't worry, I'm gonna bring the camera down so you can see it. And the screen that I'm using is a Got Shade. That's the print that I'm gonna use today. Got Shade. You don't know what that is, well, oh well, you know, what can I do? And let me get my gloves. Okay, gloves, squeegee. So let me gear up and I'll be back in a second. Okay guys, I'm ready. I got my gloves, my mask. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna put that on my face. I'm just kidding. And don't forget, always have this bad boy. This is your heat gun. You need this to check your temperature. Look at me, look at me, look me in the eyes. You always have to have a heat gun. I don't care what anyone said. This bad boy you must have with you. These are like paper towel. I use this brand because I think this is what mechanics use. So this brand is really good. Can you see me? You see me okay? Yeah? Okay, this brand is really good, so I'm using this. All right, so the flash dryer should be ready. So let me pan you guys down so you can see what I'm doing. Down. Okay, so I hope you guys could see. I have my gun, right? Now, what I have to do, let's tape off the screen. my glove didn't want to go back on my hand, so I have to stop production and fight it. Look at it. It looks like a kind of gel in it. I mean, look, it's like gel. Can you see what it looks like? It's like, I don't know, like lotion. Look at this, like cocoa butter. It doesn't look like your normal type of ink, but I'm still gonna stir it a little, because you know how you gotta stir everything. You have to stir your ink to make sure. So yeah, look at that. Woo! Okay. So let's try this bad boy and see. I'm not gonna put too much down. I think that's good enough. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna make sure I close this bad boy up. I push. Look at that, you can see it a little. Flash it. Okay. I'll let it cool a little. Okay. Can't see the print on it, right? You could barely see the print on the shirt, right? It's right here. But I want it to cool down a little before I actually try to spray anything on it. But all right, so let's do it together. Let's do the test, right? Ready? Woo-hoo. You see it revealing in front of your eyes? The wetter it gets, I don't have the best water bottle, but I don't know if you guys can you see it now? It's revealing slowly. Look. I don't know if you guys could see it, but look, it revealed on the shirt. Oh, I didn't get all the way. Look. Can you see it now? Got shade. You can see it? Good. So you guys see, look at it. I don't know if you could see it good, but look, when water touch it, this is what it said. You can see it? I sprayed the water on it and it said, "Got shade. I'm loving this shirt. I mean, I'm loving this ink." Woo! You see it? Got shade. Let's do a thumbnail. You guys like that? Now, you see it, it works great. Let me face this camera towards me. There we go. Boom. So, yeah, it's called the Matsui Phantom Clear Ink. And so far, I like it. I'm going to test it out on some gym wear. See it? I'm gonna test it out on some gym wear and see how well it works. Again, sweat, because that was water. I mean, yes, sweat is water, but you know what I mean. All that toxic coming out of our body going in there. Now let's see. And what it said is it's healthy. What I mean by healthy mean there's no health risk of the ink getting on you and so on and so on. So you don't have to worry about it. So anyway, thank you for watching this little short video. That's all I got for you today. And if you're new here, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget, when I reach 500 subscribers, I will be giving away something. So there's gonna be a giveaway when I reach 500 subscribers, and it's only open to US resident, and you have to be 18 years old or older to take part. And there's two things you have to do. You have to be a subscriber of my channel, and you have to follow me on Instagram at Flex Mackenzie. Okay, so you have to follow me and you have to be a subscriber of my channel. Now, as it get closer, I'll tell you what I'm gonna give away. But if you like what you see, yeah, if you like this Phantom Ink may be part of it. Okay, but international people, don't worry, soon I'll open up to international. Okay, so get me to 500, share so we could get this giveaway on the road. Okay, so go on, you can leave now. Bye. Go ahead, go watch another video of mine. Bye bye. Thank you for coming.